If you've had yeast infection before, like you don't get yeast infection before, or you are suffering from yeast infection, then you need to pay close attention to everything I'm going to be explaining in this video, because I will be giving you the home remedies you can use to manage this yeast infection. The first is yogurt. If you have been struggling from your current yeast infection, or you are suffering from yeast infection, you need yogurt. And I'll explain to you how to use yogurt, on the kind of yogurt you have to use. Now, one of the things you need to consider in this yogurt is that the yogurt must not contain sugar. And it must be a natural yogurt, because yogurt contains what we call lactose bacillus, and what causes yeast infection is what Candida albicans. And this Candida albicans becomes unhealthy when the pH of the body changes. Now, the pH of the body changes when there is a reduction of this lactose bacillus, which is contained in yogurt. So by taking yogurt or by applying yogurt on your V when you are having yeast infection will help you in promoting the growth of these natural bacteria which are called lactose bacillus. The second thing you need is apple cider vinegar. This particular oil is very good, and how you can use this oil is by dropping a little in a warm water, then soak your V in that water for at least 20 minutes. By doing this, you eliminate all the unhealthy bacteria in your V, and it also eliminates the yeast cells in your V. Now, the third thing you will need is coconut oil. Now, research have proven that coconut oil is antifungal. It contains antifungal agents. So if you're having yeast infection, you can simply apply coconut oil on your vulva. Don't apply it inside your V, but apply it on your vulva to eliminate all the yeast cells from your V. The fourth thing you need is boric acid. I know most of you might have heard of boric acid before, but most of you don't even know how to do it. You don't know how to use it. Most of you end up swallowing boric acid, but it's very wrong because it can be very hazardous if you take boric acid by mouth. What you have to do is to insert it in your V. And small children cannot use boric acid. It's only used by adults. And this is meant to be recommended by a doctor. So boric acid can help in maintaining the health of your V, and it can also help in maintaining the pH of your V, giving no room for yeast infection at all. The fifth is garlic. If you have been suffering from yeast infection, like the recurring one, the one that goes and comes every now and then you will need to increase the intake of garlic in your diet. If at all you don't have an allergy to garlic, you need to be taking garlic as much as you can, because garlic contains antifungal agent and it can help in eliminating candida cells in your system. I hope this information helps you. If you have questions you want to ask about this particular topic, like you want to understand more about this particular topic, please do well to drop them in the comment section, or visit my YouTube channel to learn more about everything I have for you about yeast infection. I've been able to set up a comprehensive video there on how to manage yeast infection by using home remedies and medications. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.